Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making some hexagon shapes with some popsicles here. Now whenever I see this, I always think bookshelves or shelving. Oh, they made a shelving for the bathroom or beauty room. That's pretty cool. And then we have some placemats here. So they are basically using dollar store items for this. Very nice. That's a very easy project idea to replicate too. And those, because it does have the pizza tray underneath, it's probably really sturdy. So it looks like we have this really cool ceiling light design. I have no idea what they're actually using for this, but I like the fact that you can kind of play around with how you want the placement to go. Very cool. Oh, we got some tiki torches here. Looks like she's making a fire pit, maybe? Now this is a pretty cool way to do your own like tabletop fire pit. Very nice. Look at those flames. Oh, I love the vibe of the patio space. Oh, beautiful. Alright, so next up we have this sign DIY. This is another easy design. I think this green color is interesting. It's very bold and bright. Not something you typically see. Oh, so we got some daisy stickers here. Wow, she applied those so easily and fast. Well, this is cute. I wonder if she's gonna use this for like just hanging on her wall or maybe like the door. Oh, she got the word hello there that at the top. That's cute. Very cute design. DIY accent wall with trim. So I have to tell you guys, my husband actually recently did an accent wall. And you know, you see these tutorials on TikTok and Instagram, and you think, oh my gosh, this came out amazing. Wow. So beautiful. Well, what I was going to say is that if you want to do an accent wall, do it. My husband did an amazing job. It came out great. And obviously it upgrades the space and elevates it so well. Now, if you don't want to paint your wall, I suggest buying some type of canvas or board and painting that. If you want to attempt this particular project idea. But I'm guessing she used magnetic tape because now she's able to use the magnets. But cool idea. I wonder how long that paint would hold up though. So then we have another very easy DIY. Looks like they're just gonna frame these placemats here and use them as artwork. Oh, she pulled it apart. Okay, that gives it a completely different look. And realistically, you only have to buy one because you can, like she's doing, you can cut it in half and then stretch it out to make it bigger. And she has another one here in another color. This is a cool idea. I wonder if they have these kind of placemats at like the dollar store. That'd be a cool and simple project to do. Very nice. Oh, I love it in black. Very nice. Wow. Very cool concept. Alright, so here we have someone. They went to Hobby Craft. Never heard of that place. We have Hobby Lobby, but you can get these letters from like Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I was all alone with the love of my life. Oh, that's cute. This is the wording trend that everyone's doing now. This is like the it DIY project to try in 2023. Everyone's doing this one. It's so easy. And it's a cute way to do like a little worded look. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. You were able to find some DIY ideas that you can try out yourself. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.